Good morning, my dear students. I welcome you all in the class of moral science with the same chapter, I Want Happiness. In this video part number 3, I am going to discuss with you people about the exercises of the lesson. So I hope you all must be ready with your pencil in your hand and with your book. Right? So are you ready to do exercises with me? Yeah. So let's begin the exercises. Let's begin with exercise number 2. Tick the right answer. Got it everybody? Page number 22. Yeah. The first one is, the monkey lived in a forest or village. The correct answer will be forest. The monkey lived in a forest. Done everyone? Now come to number 2. The witch or fairy helped the monkey. Which is the correct answer? Fairy. The fairy helped the monkey. Come to number 3. The monkey had trunk like an elephant or giraffe. Which will be the correct option? Obviously, elephant will be the right answer. The monkey had trunk like an elephant. Right? Now come to number 4. The giraffe has a long or short neck. The correct option is long. The giraffe has a long neck. Done everyone? Now come to the last number, number 5. The other monkeys were happy or scared to see him. The correct option will be scared. The other monkeys were scared to see him. Why? Because now the monkey had a long neck, a trunk and wings like birds, and it was looking like monster. That's why all the monkeys were scared to see him. All the monkeys were frightened after seeing the monkey. Done everyone? Okay. Come to exercise number 3. Draw the picture of how the monkey looked when he was granted all that he wanted from the fairy. That means you have to draw the picture of the monkey with the trunk, long neck and wings. Right? As it was shown in your book. And now you can see on your screen. Like the same picture you have to draw here. I hope you can do it yourself. Obviously, you have to do. I cannot draw in place of you. Got it everybody? Come to number 4. Time to think. Think of a situation in which you were sad. What was the reason and how did you become happy? This one you have to do it yourself. Right? Just you have to remember any event. When you were sad, why did you become sad? You might have asking something from your parent and your parent might have not given you. In that situation, you might be sad. And you have to just find the reason why you were sad and how did you become happy. You might have asked something from your parents. They would have not provided you. And after getting that thing, you might have become happy. So this situation you have to write it by yourself. Got it everybody? And when you write, at least you have to write 8 to 9 sentences. Now you are in class 3, so you should develop the habit of writing by yourself. Your own creativity you have to develop. Right? Next one is, let's do. Draw or paste the following. Here column has been given. activities that make kids happy. Obviously, which activities are making kids happy, making you people happy? Obviously, playing, dancing, singing, then eating, all these things make you happy. So you have to write all the activities that makes you happy and activities that make kids sad. And which are the activities that make you sad? You decide it yourself. I will not say. Okay, so this one you have to draw or paste. You can draw by yourself, or else you can get Xerox copy of the pictures and can paste it. And this one I am going to give you one of your projects, right? You keep your all the projects ready, and when the school will reopen, I'll collect it. Not now, but be sure that you are going on making all the projects ready. So when school opens, just within a week, I will collect all the projects. Right? Now come to number 6, group discussion. Discuss the following topic in the class. Happiness in all situations make life beautiful. Since you are not in the class, you can write at least 5 lines that happiness in all situations make life beautiful. When you are happy, when you are cheerful, when you are with a smiley face, after seeing you, others also will be happy to see you. But if you are having longing face, others also after seeing you will become sad. So you have to write at least 5 sentences on this topic that happiness in all situations make life beautiful. In whichever situation you are, whether you are in the school or at home, whether you are in the corona situation or whether you are in the normal situation, in all the situations, if you will be happy, your life will be beautiful. And with this only, this chapter gets over. Question answer of this chapter also PDF I have given, right? And you all do your homework and keep ready with yourself. Okay, take care, stay home, stay safe.